How to change the reversing light bulb on a Mini. From underneath the bumper, remove these 3 screws. Same for the other 2. Now this bottom panel underneath the bumper can be released and pushed down. What you need to do now is stick your hand up underneath behind the lens, squeeze the 2 clips together and push the whole unit forwards. So inside the bumper we can see there's a clip here. Just going to push this in, and there's one on the other side. Put your hand behind the lens, squeeze the 2 tabs together. Out comes the lens. Grab the base, turn the lens, release your light bulb, counterclockwise, new bayonet bulb in, turn clockwise, lens back on, clockwise again, put the lens back in, and the last thing you need to do is put this panel back into place. Just push the bumper back slightly to slide it in and put the 3 screws back in.